Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the TecNiq surface mount LED boat spotlights with the secondary flood beam, and it is for a quantity of 2 lights. Now these are waterproof LED boat spotlights which produce 900 lumens of bright white light each. These are great for docking lights and spotlight applications on emergency and fire boats. It does have a primary spot beam function that'll cover 30 degrees from the mounting surface, and it also has a secondary flood beam function which will cover 120 degrees from the mounting surface. Now at the end of this video I'm going to hook this up to some 12-volt power to show you how bright these are and the beams. It is a nice sealed waterproof housing and lens unit. They do use premium LEDs which are energy efficient, long-lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. They do use military-grade construction of the circuit boards. They use a urethane potting, which offers better protection than the common epoxy potting. And if you notice, they have the nice durable 3/16 stainless steel housings on them with the UV-resistant lenses. It is a clear lens over 6 wide LEDs. These are compatible with the 12-volt DC system, and they are a surface mount installation. There's no cutouts required. If you notice, it does come with the foam gaskets, which will create a nice weather-tight seal and protect your boat's finish. You can see it is a hard wire to your application. It is a 2-wire design, has a power wire and a ground wire, and the wire length on each light is about 9 inches. A few specs again, the quantity is 2 spotlights. The light's dimensions, if we do the overall length, one end to the other, is right at 8 inches. Height of it, or width of it, is about 4 inches, and the height of it when it's installed is about 3/4 of an inch. The distance between the mounting holes, you can see there's a mounting hole here and one here. Center to center is 7 1/4 inches, and the power draw on this light is 0.45 to 0.55 amps per light. So again, what we're going to do now is we're going to hook this up to some 12-volt power. And once we get it all hooked up that way, I'm going to go ahead and turn the power on, and you'll be able to see there's your light that's coming on. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead lights, and with the overhead light off you can see how bright the light is. And as we mentioned, it gives you a primary spot beam which will cover 30 degrees from the mounting surface, and then a secondary flood beam which covers 120 degrees from the mounting surface. If I just zoom out, show you the area it lights up, pretty bright light, and that's just for one of the lights. I'll go ahead and turn back on overhead lights, go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on the TecNiq surface mount LED boat spotlights with the secondary flood beam.